Moses made a covenant with the children of Gad and Reuben. If they went to war to fight the Canaanites on the promised land with their brethren, they could possess the land they requested to have. The Gadites and the Reubenites did as they said. Therefore, they inherited the land they requested. The Reubenites, the Gadites, and half of the tribe of Manasseh. When Leah said a troop has come, the Most High blessed the tribe of Gad with mighty men of war to destroy the armies that came upon the Israelites when they went to possess the promised land. Just like the testament of Issachar said, the blessing of Gad was to destroy the troops that come against the Israelites. Jacob said Gad would be overcome by an army. The tribe of Gad did succumb to an army. The armies the Most High sent against his people to remove them from his presence when they fell into the abominable sin of idolatry, the Assyrian army. Moses blessed the tribe of Gad as well as all the tribes before his death.